I see you've ordered replacement toner, huh?
Yeah. I found a sweet deal on some knockoff stuff for my home and office.
Thanks, honey.
Have fun at the open house. It should be good enough.
Let's see how that works out.
I can't read this. Where's the preschool open house?
Your husband decided to go with the knockoff toner, which delivers inconsistent quality. Good enough?
We need to get to this meeting. You printed out the reports, right?
Oh no.
Larry ordered the knockoff toner, which can leak inside the printer. He thought it would be good enough.
This is ridiculous.
We can't give this to the client.
You see, Larry, in independent lab tests, knockoff toner printed fewer pages, suffered image quality defects, and even caused costly printer damage. Brother Genuine Toner delivers reliable quality, predictable page yields, and seamless integration with your printer. Knockoff toner, well, it's just...
Not good enough.
Knockoff toner is just too risky. Trust Brother Genuine Toner.